Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to turn on your mic on Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to turn on your mic into your Zoom meeting, you just simply have to open your Zoom application at first, and after that join the meeting or host a meeting. And after joining up the meeting, you will see this join audio option. In order to enable your mic, just simply click into this join audio button, and after that choose Wi-Fi or cellular data option. Then your mic will be enabled into Zoom. But if in case you are just a participant and the host has enabled this mute all option, you cannot turn on your mic without the permission of the host. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.